Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to activate, how to configure, and how to use the e-wallet as a payment method. So, the e-wallet is a tool that allows us to create a digital card with a specific amount of virtual and rechargeable money that we can use to pay anything that we want to buy instead of using the regular payment methods, for example cash or debit card. So, to activate it, we must go to the settings and we have to search for the pricing. It doesn't matter if we activate it in the sales or in the point of sale settings. Okay, we activate this checkbox and save the configuration. And now that the configuration is updated, this option is available: gift cards and e-wallet. Here is where we're going to create the e-wallet. So we click here in new and we give a name to the program. For example, e-wallet POS, okay? And the program type is e-wallet. Here is the description. E-wallets are created manually or automatically when the customer orders a e-wallet product. So we must create an a e-wallet product. Then e-wallets are proposed during the checkout as a payment methods to pay orders. We make it available in the point of sale and we set how we want it to be displayed. For example, e-wallet. Okay, perfect. And we save this configuration, and once we save it, the e-wallet product is automatically created. We click on it, we make it available to be sold, and we save it. This is all the configuration that we must do. The sales price is correct to be zero because it is going to change from from customer to customer. So we return to the e-wallet program, and now we can select it here in this field in the e-wallet products. Okay, and we can save it. Also, we can create another e-wallet product, for example, a top-up e-wallet product, okay, that we can use when a customer wants to recharge the e-wallet. So this is all the configuration that we must do. I'm only corroborate that the top-up e-wallet is okay. It can be sold and it is also available in the point of sale. So this is all the configuration that we must do. And now we are going to sell it to a client. For example, we can sell it here in the sales. We make a new order. We select the customer, Amigo Pedro, for example, and we are going to select the product, the e-wallet. We're going to give him 10,000 of credits. Okay, and we confirm the order. So now if we go to the information of Amigo Pedro, we can see that he has now a loyalty card. This loyalty card is the e-wallet that we just sold to him. So the e-wallet has a unique code. We can set also an expiration date, for example 1 year from now. And from today, the partner is Amigo Pedro. The order reference is the sales order number 7. And now the balance is version is the 10,000 of pesos that we sold to him. We save it, okay, and the balance is going to change every time that Amigo Pedro uses it as a payment method to buy his orders, or every time that he wants to recharge his e-wallet card. So Another thing that we can do is, for example, to print the coupon code or to print the gift card and give it to our customer. So this is the coupon code. This is the gift card. Okay, here is your gift card with 10,000 of pesos of credits. Here's the unique code, and this information is also in the coupon code. Congratulations, amigo Pedro. Here is your e-wallet from Escuela Kemperurgate. You can use it in your next order. This Unicode is available before a year because it is going to expire in 1 year. And here's also the Unicode. So we can ask to Amigo Pedro for this code to enter in the point of sale, to use it, and to validate the e-wallet. So these documents, if we print it and give them to Amigo Pedro, to our customers, can make a better experience for clients. So now that we have all of this, we are going to open our session in the point of sales. And for example, Amigo Pedro comes to our store. He wants a vino tinto, a wine, 4 soles. And we only have to select the customer, Amigo Pedro, and this option is now available, the wallet pay. So we can also enter the unique code to make it available. And if we select the e-wallet pay, we can see it here, and we can go to the payment. So the e-wallet is going to be used to pay this order. If we go to the payment, we can see that there is any debit amount to be charged with a payment method, for example, cash, bank, customer account, because all was paid by the e-wallet of Amigo Pedro. So we validate the order and we are going to close the session. It is correct that we don't have expected money and counted money in our cash register because all was paid by the by Amigo Pedro with the e-wallet. So we can close this session. And finally, if we go to the information of Amigo Pedro again, okay, if we see his loyalty card, we see now the new balance, okay, because he used something of his e-wallet to pay his Vine. Okay, and we can recharge it. For example, if we select again Amigo Pedro and select the top up e-wallet from here or from the sale or from the point of sale, we can recharge the original balance. Okay, the top up e-wallet. For example, the price is okay, 3,480 credits. We select the customer, we go to the payment, for example, cash, we validate it. Okay, we close the session. Now we have cash to be validated. We close the session. And if we go again to the information of the customer, we can see that the balance now has been updated because Amigo Pedro decides to recharge his e-wallet. So this is how we can use e-wallet to pay anything that we want to pay in Odoo. I hope this video is very useful for you guys. See you later.